Cougars over there. Today we are filming the infamous shootout scene.
Actually, I had a thought. Let's park in these spaces right here.
Look at that. It's beautiful. I actually really like St. Helens. St. Helens is a very awesome place. Very old school, too.
No, like, how you gonna say that differently? Aaron.
Marta.
Garrett would say it.
I can't believe you shot me, Nick.
I never should have doubted you. I forgive you, Marta. I cannot not tie myself to a man who would sacrifice himself for me. I will love you to the end of time. To the end of time? I should say that.
I love
to
you.
the end of time? No matter what. I love
What was
you.
you gonna say before we change it?
Yeah, I have to say it as...
Having fun there, Nick. He's already done changing.
Garrett would not spot that far ahead.
Like, but like...
As soon as we say action, what are you gonna do?
Vipper, man.
If Marta died, I'm definitely turning into that.
Oh boy.
Something else.
Oh, I thought you meant that
Take a
this is
5-minute
gonna fall
short
off.
break.
I mean, it might, but
Yeah, I know. It does it. Did Nick even go behind the fence?
Packing heat.
Nick, how was it?
Not a great spot.
Oh, okay.
Well, you can go up and around up there. There's like,
There's literally porta potties right there.
go over to
Those are
the,
locked.
go to the porta potties and then just keep going straight up the hill there.
A mile from here.
You can drive.
Well,
Okay.
that looks good.
No, let's just get
So,
this. You can drive Luke's car. I don't have that much.
Let's exist, otherwise I'd be a little scared right now.
Where'd you tell him to park?
A few spots back. All right.
Spots all this
Come
over.
over. Pull yourself over here.
Cool. So you just like crawl up a little.
I've got a gun.